Imagine this. You're cooking dinner and you realize you're out of fresh herbs. But instead of running to the store or settling for a dusty jar in the cabinet, you turn to your kitchen window and snip off exactly what you need. Fresh, fragrant, and packed with flavor. That's the magic of growing your own herbs indoors. You don't need a garden or even a balcony, just a sunny windowsill and a little love. And here's the fun part. Many of the most flavorful and useful herbs are also the easiest to grow. Some even surprise people, like how basil thrives in a jar of water or how mint basically grows like a weed. So let's get into 12 kitchen herbs that are not only essential, but easy to grow right in your home. Stay tuned because we saved the best for the last. Basil is the king of indoor herbs. Fragrant, beautiful, and perfect for pastas, pizzas, and even cocktails. It loves warmth and sunlight, so a sunny window is its happy place. It's easy to grow from seed or cuttings, and once it gets going, it grows fast. Just make sure to pinch off the top leaves regularly. That not only gives you fresh basil to cook with, but it keeps the plant bushy instead of leggy. You'll know it's harvest time when the plant is about 6 to 8 inches tall and the leaves are full-sized. Snip, don't pluck, and always cut just above a leaf pair to keep it thriving. Mint is like that friend who shows up uninvited but somehow makes everything better. It's incredibly easy to grow. So much so, it'll take over your pot if you let it. Use it in teas, mojitos, sauces, or toss it into a salad for a fresh zing. It prefers indirect light and consistently moist soil. You can start mint from store-bought stems in a glass of water. Once it roots, move it to a pot. Parsley's more than just a garnish. It's bright, slightly peppery, and packed with vitamins A, C, and K. It takes a little patience to get started from seed. It can take up to 3 weeks to sprout. But once it gets going, it's smooth sailing. Flat-leaf parsley is best for cooking, while curly parsley is great for presentation. Keep the soil evenly moist and give it plenty of sun. When stems have 3 segments, it's ready to snip. Always cut from the outer stems to keep it growing strong. Chives are like green onion's milder cousin, perfect for eggs, baked potatoes, and creamy dips. They grow easily from seed or division, and they love sunlight, water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Chives are super forgiving, and once they're about 6 inches tall, you can trim the leaves down to 1 inch from the soil. They'll grow back again and again, making them one of the most productive herbs you can grow indoors. Oregano brings that deep, earthy flavor that makes tomato sauces, grilled meats, and Mediterranean dishes sing. It's like, the secret ingredient that just elevates everything. It loves bright light and well-draining soil, and it doesn't need much water. Let the soil dry out a bit between waterings. You can grow it from cuttings or starter plants. Once the plant is about 4 inches tall and the leaves are nice and full, you can start picking. Harvest by pinching off sprigs, which also encourages bushier growth. It's really quite simple. Thyme is subtle but powerful. A little goes a long way in soups, roasts, and veggie dishes. Thyme is such a wonderful herb to grow, and it's pretty low maintenance too. It thrives in the sun and prefers dry soil, so, let it dry out between waterings and avoid overwatering. You can start from cuttings or a young plant. Once it spreads out and feels nice and full, you can start snipping stems. Just like oregano, trimming thyme actually keeps it healthier and bushier. It's a little trick that goes a long way in maintaining a vibrant plant. Now let's talk about rosemary. It's bold and aromatic, perfect for adding flavor to dishes like roasted potatoes, grilled chicken, or even for making infused oils. It's such a versatile herb. Indoors, it can be a little picky. It needs lots of sunlight and hates soggy roots, so make sure the pot drains well. It's easiest to grow from cuttings. Once it's about 6 to 8 inches tall, you can start snipping the top 2 inches of a stem. Harvest sparingly and you'll have a steady supply all year long. Sage has a strong, earthy flavor, and is a must-have for holiday stuffing, creamy sauces, or butter dishes. It's pretty resilient, preferring full sun and dry soil. You can grow it from seed or starter plants. Let it dry out between waterings, and once the leaves are full-sized and the plant is about 6 inches tall, you can start plucking individual leaves. Don't overharvest, just a few leaves at a time keeps it healthy. Cilantro is fresh and citrusy, perfect for tacos, guac, and curries. It grows fast but tends to bolt, meaning it goes to flower and stops producing, so timing is key. Start from seed and grow it in a cooler window, away from intense heat. Keep the soil moist, and harvest often to delay bolting. You'll know it's time when the leaves are about 3 to 4 inches long. Snip from the base and use fresh. It doesn't store well. Dill is feathery and delicate, but it packs a punch in pickles, seafood, and sauces. It prefers deep pots for its long roots, so give it some room. Grow it from seed, keep it in full sun, and water regularly. You can start harvesting the fronds when the plant is about 6 inches tall. Snip the outer stems first, and avoid cutting the central stem if you want it to keep growing. Lemongrass adds a citrusy, zesty punch to soups, curries, and teas. You can actually grow it from the leftover stalks you buy at the grocery store. Just place them in water until they root, then move to soil in a sunny window. It grows surprisingly well indoors, and you'll know it's ready when the stalks are thick and fragrant. Cut at the base and leave some behind to keep the plant going. Bay laurel is slow-growing but worth the wait. Those dried bay leaves you use in soups and stews, fresh ones from your own plant are way more flavorful. Grow it in a pot with good drainage and plenty of sunlight. It doesn't need much water, just don't let the soil dry out completely. Once the plant is about a foot tall and mature, you can start plucking leaves. Let them dry for a few days before using in recipes. And there you have it. 12 powerhouse herbs you can grow in your kitchen with minimal space and maximum flavor. Not only will your food taste better, but your kitchen will smell incredible. Plus, there's something super satisfying about using herbs you grew yourself. So pick a few, plant them, and let your windowsill become your new favorite garden. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more gardening guides. Thanks for watching and happy growing.